Hi everyone. Today we're gonna see how we can create a fun game in maths for grade 2 called Tic-Tac-Toe Mathematics. And the goal of doing this game is to help them to add numbers. Before we start, we need to create the game first. So I'm gonna click online and choose reasonable thickness, and I'm gonna create a column and row exactly with the same idea of the tic-tac-toe game. So to create a place for 9 numbers. Now I need to have 9 numbers, so I can go to the second tab here and type in the search numbers. And I click on search. And I go to pictures and I see nice numbers here. So I'm gonna go for 1 to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And for sure you need to make it smaller so it's gonna fit in your chart of the tic-tac-toe. So I can change the dimension and keep it with the same color like that. It's going to be very attractive for grade 2 students to see the numbers in color. And as soon as you complete the preparation, you can start to give them the rules of the game and explain exactly what we need to do. So the idea is very simple. We need to place this number from 1 to 9 on this chart with a way that the game is between two students. Let's say student A and student B. Student A will have his turn to place one number. Student B will place another number. The winner who can find or who can end with one row or one column or one diagonal with a total of 15. So if I have, let's say, 7, 3, and 5, the total is 15, I win. There is one condition that you cannot place the 5 in the middle. You can place the 5 everywhere, but not in the middle. Why? Because if you start to place the 5 in the middle, and let's say the next one, student B, will place 9, the third one will win right away. 9 plus 5 equal 14, and I place 1, I will get 15. So the condition to make it a little bit harder, that we don't accept number 5 in the middle. However, you can place number 5 anywhere if you want. So let's say I'm gonna start to show you how they can start to do it. Let's say one student A will place number 8 in the middle. Student B, if he's gonna place any number smaller than 8, let's say 4, 8 plus 4 equal 12, so that means the next one will place 3 and win. So to avoid that, the student B has to think well that he has to block that student A can win. So I can place, let's say, number 7. So it's very important for student B to think well to place a number to block student A to win. So 7 and 8, it's already 15. You cannot place any number here because there is no way to win. For sure, student A will start to create another number and to create something to win. But if I place, let's say, 5, this is 13. 13 and 2, 15. So this is, I'm giving a chance for student B to win. So in this case, I have to create maybe number 9 to block the next one to win, because 8 and 9 you are passing now already number 15. Next, so the next one who has to think well which number I can put. So let's say if I'm gonna put 4 here, 4 and 9 equals 13, I give a chance to someone to place 2 here to win. So this is danger if I put it here. If I put the 4 here, 7 and 4, it's 11. 11, that means if I add another 4, but I don't have 4 here, so it's not risky because 7 and 4 equal 11. I need another 4 which doesn't exist, so I'm safe. The next one will start to create another number, and so on. So it's very nice game. It's you can see very attractive for them to think well before they place any number, and in the same way they are practicing the addition of the number. Thank you for listening.